How's it going, guys? I'd like to introduce you guys to the blue line. It's a VN Commodore with a 5 litre 304 injected. It's got a TH704 gearbox and Nolthane bushes all round, Gilmore drive setup, headers 3-inch all the way through, oval tip, a few mods done to it. It's got a bit of work to do. Project at the moment is to get a 3-week deadline for the burnout comps, and looking for sponsors or anybody willing to help out and stuff like that. The long-term project for the blue line is tubbed and turboed. Tubbed and turboed, and maybe interior eventually. But yeah, just like to introduce you to the blue line, and she's a bit of a beast. In a baby blue, as you can see. She's got a full Brembo brakes all round, so safety first. And yeah, this is what it's going to be about. It's going to be about this car, getting her up and running. VN projects, there's a few vids I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do the main seal, I'm going to do the pinion, the pinion on the diff is slowly leaking, so I'm going to redo that seal. Secondly, I've already mentioned it, but I'd like to make a request out there if anybody's interested in getting this to the competitions and helping me out, you know, putting in a bit of effort, trailer or any way of help, just comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Tread left there, mate. Both sides.